Our products are used in the fishing and shipping industries as well as installed in the base stations. In the area of professional use, we have received high praise from various countries for providing total solutions to government agencies such as the Coast Guard. We are constantly developing and releasing innovative new products such as the fully waterproof portable transceiver and a multifunction remote access microphone, making it possible to operate a unit from a microphone. Floating, submersible IPX7 IPX8 waterproof ratings, for 30 minutes. NOAA weather channels, weather alerts. New dot matrix display. High-resolution dot matrix display makes navigating the radio's many features smooth and easy. Submersible IPX8 over 1.5 m, 4.92 ft, for 30 minutes. Selectable 5 or 1 watt transmit power output. Noise-canceling microphone. 40 programmable land mobile channels 134 MHz to 174 MHz with CTCSS and DCS signaling. Supplied with 2300 mAh Li-ion battery, 110 VAC and 12 VDC 3-hour quick chargers. Top reviews from the United States. What the hell is sheerness? Tugboater with too much time on deck. I've seen my share of radios disappear into the drink, or become equally useless after being employed in a driving, and I mean driving, rain, like that other brand. I chose Standard Horizon for my own personal radio for reliability, clarity, and features that work in a punishing environment. I've been using my new HX400 radio with CMP 460 speaker, microphone while running a small workboat on a bridge project, and both are living up to expectations. Battery life with the SBR-29LI is long, requiring me to recharge only once a week or so. I am very satisfied with this purchase.